Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is find most frequent vowel and consonant. So here is given a string. You have to count the vowel and a consonant, and after this you just have to return the sum of vowel and consonant, maximum number of vowel and consonant. Let's understand with an example. So here is given a success. Uh, the vowel is U E. So how many times the U occur? The U occur only one time and E occur two times. So you have to take the maximum frequency. So the frequency is 2. So the maximum frequency is 2. And for consonant, there is S and C. So how many times S and C occur? S occur 4 times and C occur 2 times. So which frequency is maximum? 4. So here is 4 and the maximum frequency is 4 in consonant and maximum frequency in vowel is 2. You have to just add them and return this integer. Okay. So let's do this. I will create an ordered map of char comma int of MP for auto ch comma s mp of ch plus plus. Okay. This will store the frequency and then I will count the vowel um, int c and t int ccnt, which store the count of a consonant, and int vcnt, which will store the vowel count. Okay, and then I will traverse to the map for auto itn map char ch equals to it dot first int frequency equals to it dot second. Okay, and then I will check if ch equals to a, or ch is equals to I, ch equals to which is a e I, a e, ch equals to I o, ch equals to u. Okay, if this, then I just have to do vowel count equals to the maximum of vcnt comma frequency. Okay, frequency. Else, if it is not, then you just have to do ccnt equals to maximum of ccnt comma frequency. Okay, and then I just have to do int sum equals to vcnt plus ccnt. Okay, this will, and after this you just have to return the sum. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.